Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the kitchen. We got a good one for you today. We are going to be smoking a 18-pound turkey right here. It's a big one. But first off, we got to prepare this turkey, and we're going to do it with a brine. So we're going to have kosher salt and light brown sugar in a brine, and we're going to put it in a cooler with water and ice. And we're going to make this a juicy and delicious smoked turkey. But this is part one, so y'all stay with us. Okay, welcome back to the kitchen. Here we're ready to get started on the brine. This is part one. What we're doing, we're using kosher salt, 2 cups of it, and we have some light brown sugar in the Rubbermaid container, 2 cups of that. We're going to add that. I've already got it pre-measured, so I don't have to belabor you guys on this, but I already got it pre-measured out. Got 8 cups of water, and we're going to heat it up and dissolve everything in here, and then we'll go over to the turkey and everything. So I'm going to go to the next camera and show you what I'm doing. Okay, here we are. I got my big pan here. I've already got 4 cups of water in it. I'm going to add 4 more cups. Make a lot of noise doing it. Go ahead and turn my stove eye on. Go ahead and turn on high. Got my handy dandy whisk here. So we'll go ahead and put the salt in it. And over here. Don't like the way that whisk is doing on that pan. Let's do something else with that. Let's take a scraper, rubber spatula, something, whatever you call these things. And we'll go ahead and start dissolving this. We'll go ahead and take our brown sugar. And it's not packed or anything. I just took 2 cups. Just normal light brown sugar. This will give the turkey a sweetness. Let's see, I got my eye on high. Yep. That'll work. You know, you can do anything you want to in one of these brines. You can do apple juice, orange juice, peppercorns, whatever you want to do. There we go. Now we'll let this come up to a simmer, let everything get good and dissolved, and then we'll set it aside and let it cool, and then we'll add it to the turkey. Okay, it's up to a simmer now. It's a lovely amber color and there's no salt in the bottom. So I will go ahead and turn the heat off. That ought to be good. Right there. Okay, got the heat turned off. We'll set it to the side or the back. And we'll let that cool for a little while, and I'll go ahead and prepare the turkey, and I'll show you when we get ready for that stage. Okay. Alright, so here we are. Got the brine cooled off. I threw some ice in it. Just go ahead and get it. It's getting a little late this evening. I got the turkey prepared. I took all the giblets and gravy mix and whatever was in that bag and cleaned it and cut off any extra skin and all that, dried it real good. I got a bowl full of ice, and we're going to come right here. We're going to go ahead and put the ice in, put the brine in, and then lay the turkey in. make sure it's submerged. Close it off. Make sure your cooler or whatever receptacle you're putting this in is really clean. I cleaned this one really good. Cleaned everything really good. Make sure the plug's in it. You don't want it to leak out all over the kitchen. So the dogs would probably like it, but you know. And we're going to let it sit 24, 36 hours. Let it soak that up real good, and then the next part of the video, or the second part of the video, we're going to go ahead and do that. So I'll go ahead and bring the camera over, and we'll do that. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right, I've already got the ice in here. We'll go ahead and bring the brine in. Pour it in. And then I'll go ahead and lay the turkey in there. Oh, that's a heavy one. Heavy turkey. Yeah. All right. Got that in there. Now I need to submerge it in water. So I'll do that off camera. Y'all stay with us. Okay. As you can see, it's pretty much underwater there. It's going to sit there and absorb all the salt and brown sugar and the water and everything, so it's going to make it real tender and juicy. So what I'll do now is close this. And 24 to 36 hours, we will put it on the grill. Okay, so now we're at the point, this is going to finish up this video, getting ready for the next step of this. But one thing I wanted to leave you with, and when you get a frozen turkey, always remember, let it thaw out completely. You don't want to try to brine a frozen turkey, and you really don't want to cook a frozen turkey because it will not turn out good. There's a little plastic bag inside that's got giblets and whatever else in it. You want to make sure that's out. You want to clean it real well. And most turkeys have this little guy. It's a pop-up timer. You don't want to put that in the grill. So always remember to rip that thing out and discard it. So anyway, glad you guys joined the channel tonight. Reach down there on the bottom right, hit the subscribe, hit the little bell. That'll let you be notified and when there's a link or when there's a video out. I'm sorry. What else can I say about this? Y'all stay with us, because in a couple of days we're going to cook this turkey out on the big green egg. And if it's anything like what we've done before, it's been really good. And I hope somebody learned something from this. That's the biggest part. I want to be able to show you what I do, and then you can take it and do whatever. But anyway, appreciate y'all being with us tonight. Y'all have a blessed night, and we're gone.